Uh-oh, they getting physical now.
Yeah, he said he's turning right and then. He came to play. He came to play.
We're here today at XL Orlando hosting our very first 1v1 event. We got a good group of guys here today, and we're super excited to see the talent in store. We got some ballers. We got different academy kids from all over the state of Florida coming out. We got people driving from Port St. Lucie. It's pretty far ways. So we're excited to see who has the tech, who's going to win, and ultimately, who's going to get their ankles broken.
So the winner of the event is going to get a soccer.com gift card, a Salt Athletic cleat bag, and then $50 worth of TekkGrip credit. All right, what's your name? Where are you from?
Rafa, Venezuela.
You gonna win this or what?
Most likely, yeah.
Most likely. No comp for you?
I see a pretty good kid. Look, they can play.
The 10-year-old's gonna beat you?
He's pretty good.
He's
Honestly,
good,
he's
bro.
pretty good.
All right.
Pretty good.
My name is Caden Park. I'm a goalkeeper and I'm from Orlando.
And who do you think's gonna win, and how many saves are you gonna make?
You know, you can't count how many,
Okay.
but I think Jackson's gonna win.
Jackson. Which one's Jackson?
It's the Arsenal kit right here.
Okay. Bro, appreciate you coming out, man. Thank you for taking the time.
Let's go talk to Arsenal kit.
All right, Arsenal, come here, man. What's your name? What position? What club?
You gotta give him the dab. You gotta
Hold
give
on.
him the dab.
I have fun.
I
I got you, bro. What position? What's your name? And where you from?
I'm a striker, Jackson Ludwig. I play for Orlando State U15 Academy.
So we just interviewed the goalkeeper, and he just said that you're gonna win it.
Yeah,
What you think of that?
I think I am.
You think you'll win it?
I think-
Confidence?
Yeah,
You gonna chip him?
I'm gonna end up trying.
Disrespect him?
Yeah, I'm gonna do a skill move. or
All right,
something.
appreciate you coming out, bro.
The most exciting part about seeing all these incredible players here is that we were able to give every single player who joined us for our very first event a pair of our unreleased black TekkGrip socks. It's the same design as the white and gray, except we got the black base with the white stripes.
Yo, we got a couple questions for you, bro.
Alrighty.
What's your name? What club you play for? And what position?
My name is Lucas Couto. I play at Orlando City Seminole, and then my position is Cam. So.
Okay, and you think you're gonna win this, or?
Absolutely. You know, I have the power of São Paulo. It's a Brazilian club, so you know I feel it inside of me right now, like Neymar. So.
And I want you to promote your jersey company.
Oh yes, guys, check out Samba Kits, SAMBA_kits. Okay, we sell high quality kits, and it's just I've started this since I was young, and yeah, I think you guys should check it out.
I love that, bro.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Everyone's saying they're gonna win. Do you think you're gonna win this event?
Of course, yeah. Gotta be the most confident you can be.
Okay, I like that. All right, appreciate it, bro.
Yes, sir.
Here we don't judge. Every age gets to play, right? What's your name? What's your position? And where do you play?
My name is Christian. Center mid.
Okay, and where do you play?
FC Highland.
Appreciate you coming out, bro. Hey, you think you're gonna win or what?
I'm
You're
gonna win.
Hey, I like that confidence. How old are you?
12.
12 years old. That's confidence right there. I appreciate you coming out.
So we're here at the first event. The rules are as follows. You get 1 point for stopping a goal, defending, 1 point for scoring a goal, and it's the first to 3 points. So the first ones are gonna be first to 3, and then later on in the final rounds, we're gonna do best of 5. We got a crazy group of guys behind us. What do we think, boys? What do we think? Yeah! Yo, who's gonna win though? Oh, okay. We're gonna see right now. We're gonna see right now.
All right, so the first matchup we're gonna have is Arsenal versus Colombia. Let's see, okay, so that's no point. So now we switch.
Fuera.
Switch. Let's see who got it. Ooh, that's a stop. That's a point. That's a point. No. Restart. Okay. Yeah. So point for Colombia. That's a stop. 2-0. That's a stop. You score, you win. That's a stop right there. Game point, he wins. 2-1. You good? First round winner,
Anything to say? Anything to say?
Ooh, that's what I have to say.
Tomorrow is going down. Ya tú sabes.
Hey. Oh. Uh-oh. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Oh! He got me. Let's see. Okay. Ooh, 1-1. That's a good stop right there.
These boys going at it.
Hey man, they want that prize, boy. Oh, that's a start right there. 2-1. I'll put it on. Uh-oh, he's looking for a Meg. I can see it. He's looking for that Meg. Ooh, good save, keeper. We got a winner right there, brother. Good game, bro. Hey, you're on to the next round.
Anything to say after the dub?
Give me the next one, bro.
Hey yo, we got water and Gatorade. If you go outside, right out here, we got OFC Barca versus Matt.
Let's go. You do it.
Let's go, Matt. And here we got Matt and OFC Barca. What's your name, bro? Franco. Matt came to. Hey, he don't play anymore, but he came to play. Leesburg showing out. Uh-oh, let's see what he got. He said he's turning right and then shooting left. Oh! That's out.
Nah, let them run it, bro.
Always been like that. Oh, that's the keeper save. No point.
Bro.
Uh-oh, they're getting physical now.
I like these.
Let's see what you got. Oh. Ooh, 1-1. Good defense. Let's see what these boys got. Okay. Oh, 2-1. The Laha boy right there.
One more.
Hey, you score, you win.
Score. Hit that cut you're talking about.
You got a goal, you win.
Hit that cut.
Oh! He's 14. He messaged me. He's like, bro, I'm 14, but I'm 6'2". We got a winner, Leesburg boy.
Yes, sir.
Hey,
Any words after the dub?
I have words for the next step.
Cold, bro. That's cold.
these boys are confident. That's me. These boys are confident. 12-year-old. Where's my man at? Versus. Okay. Automatically, he gets ball.
He's well. Okay. That's
So. Let's see what he got. Let's see what. He came to play. No point. Ooh. Uh-oh. Hey. That's a stop. 1-1. Good defense.
Ones.
Uh-oh. Oh, he's going for the body. Come on. Hey, don't let him. No point.
Yo, have we seen a goal yet?
Yeah, I think so. Have we seen a goal?
No goals yet.
Hey, we got a keeper. There's a keeper. Lock. Hey, you're right. The ball is forward. Oh, whoa.
Maria, Maria.
Come on, man. Don't let him stitch you. 2-1, 2-1. Good defense, good defense. Hey. To win. Hey. Hey. Oh, get back. Get back. Ooh. Right,
He can win it right here.
so look, you score, you win, or you shoot and keeper saves it, you still continue to play. You stop him, you win.
Okay.
So, come on, little man. Come on, show him what you got. 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 Woo! Is that good defense? You good? Yeah, give me that time. Baller for you, for real.
Good stuff, buddy.
Let's see. Yeah.
Hey, what you gotta say now to the next one?
Guys, I don't want to show that Meg anymore, so we'll see what happens now.
Now we got Steven versus, hold up. Where he at? Versus you. What's your name, bro? Isaiah, bro.
Let's get it, let's get it. This dude's quick, this dude's quick.
Yeah, it's a little cocky, I can see it. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6. 2-0. I told you. Hey. Told you. Come on. Hey, show him what you got. Oh! You good? Hey. Good game. Stay around.
Next round, I'm out. I'm out next round. I'm gonna lose.
Next round?
What do you mean?
I'm gonna lose, bro. I'm gonna lose.
What's that was the most confident one we've seen yet.
Chill. Pre-trial.
Oh, okay.
All right, the last matchup of the first round. We got Sebastian against Rafa.
Whoa. Yo, the competition is crazy today.
Let's see if he can defend. Let's see if Luke can defend.
Ooh. Bro, tell me how he feigning me too, bro. Oh my God, he's flipping.
Still 0-0.
Bro, you faked me out.
Still 0-0. Uh-oh. The blue defense. Woo! Good stop. Hey, all I'm gonna say is he's showing all his coaches that he can defend. 1-0. Oh, he's cocky. He is a cocky one. 1-1.
Bro, if he would have pulled that off.
Yeah, that would have been crazy.
Get in, son. Come on.
What can I say?
How many is that?
That's dumb, no?
That is a dub. You got the
Easy.
Oh my God. Anything to say, bro? You were saying you were gonna get cooked.
I was lying. It was false advertisement.
Dang. Hey, I'm gonna say he let me down.
That was your pick. He was your pick, bro. You had your money on him winning the whole thing.
I had my money on him. All right, so now we have next round, Colombia versus White OC.
Ryan.
Yes, see there. Now we're gonna do the start of the second round. Let's see what Columbia got. Hey?
High school.
He wasn't lying when he said ball was like.
Hey, Lucho Diaz right there. Columbia. Hey, back up a little bit. Oh. Woo! Okay, 2-0. 2-0. Or you win. Oh!
That's it? Nothing to say? Nothing to say?
I'm thirsty. Oh my God. What happened, bro? Yo, rewind it to the end of the first round. What'd you say?
Give me the next one, bro.
We're stopping this amazing episode just to let you know about our amazing product, the new TekkGrip Crew Sock. So as you can see here, Randy's repping them. They're beautiful, beautiful socks. They're comfy. We got pro players and college players wearing them across the country. Nothing but amazing reviews, and we want to get them in your hands. And if you want to help us out and support us and support the vision, and you can support us by buying the grip socks.
Check us out on TekkGrip.com. We have a 3-pack. That 3-pack comes with free mini shin pads included. So
Get the grip socks, be dripped out for the next season. Appreciate it. Back to the episode.
Said bring me the next, but he was too fast, bro.
hey, you gotta buy the first round.
Oh yeah, we gotta introduce him. We gotta introduce him real quick.
What's your name? Where you play? He's repping.
Ryan, going to FGCU.
Hey, you can't lose now. You're up in D1.
Yeah. Let's see it. He got a first round bye. If you didn't see him in the first round, that just means he was late.
Hey, he was part of the morning charity event that we did. He was out there playing for 4 hours, so respect.
Dead, yeah, this morning.
Oh yeah, Matt. Ooh. 1-0. 1-0. Yalaha got that lockdown.
Lockdown. He said show him the move too. It's crazy.
These boys not giving each other space.
Sportsmanship.
Oh!
He's pulling up from not even 3, bro. That's 8.
Oh. Damn, keeper saved Yalaha right there. Keeper saved Yalaha. Still 1-1. Repping FGCU.
Anything to say, bro? Next round?
Next round. Let's look forward to it.
Oof. Matt, absolutely iconic performance today, bro.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Now we got Steven versus Sebastian.
Damn, he's letting him attack? Oh, did him dirty. Can make him pay? What are those feet? Hey, bro, those are those Spanish feet. Those are those Spanish feet. These are grown men.
We got a winner.
All right, not as flashy as the first one.
Next round for sure.
I have a feeling he's gonna be saying that till he wins.
Jersey boys. Hey, come play again.
Redemption. He's back. Cole Palm has risen from the dead. See it, lads. Damn, they get the rematch too. These don't happen very often.
Now we're on to the semis. All right, now we're on to the semifinals. The final four: Jersey, Columbia, Steven, and Ryan. So if you guys want to stand up real quick, come over here. Columbia versus Ryan. Jersey versus Steven. So the first match, who wants to go first? You? He's confident.
Wow.
He's confident.
Wow.
He's confident.
You feeling scared at all?
Not at all.
Wow.
Not at all. Hey, he said he's not scared. He's representing FGCU today.
Oh, he's doing it well too. You see, I love that. He didn't give up on it. Oh my God, he's scared.
Uh-oh. Can he defend? Oh! Back too. I got my back too. He's talking shit. He's talking shit.
You got the leg back too. You can tell he plays indoor, bro. He knows these goals.
Oh! That's good. Good defending, because I would have been there.
You said valid reaction.
Valid reaction. Valid reaction. 2-1. 2-1. Score, you win. Oh! Oh! Hey, Columbia well though. Got a winner. First finalist right here.
Finals. You looking forward to it, bro?
Of course.
Good save, Keith. He's 15.
You gonna get it back though. You gonna get it back.
Uh-oh. He's using the body. Oh. Damn. Hold on. That was easy. Yellow card. Redo that. Oh. Uh-oh. Play, still in. 10, 9, 2-1. Now we got two finalists. What happened? Next one?
Wait, there's one more?
You just told finals now. But you just
That
told
was
me
the semis.
first round you said I'm gonna be out next round. Second round you said I'm gonna be out next round.
For the content, bro.
Go get water.
Bro, so you've seen the finals. You've seen the two finals. Who do you think?
I think whoever defends first is gonna win.
Okay, that's a good shout.
Leaves it to rock, paper, scissors.
Hey, but just know your Arsenal boy let us down.
Yeah.
And he let you down. We got our final matchup here. Who's gonna bring it home?
This guy.
Bro, what? You both. Let's get this started. Final matchup. This one will be 1st to 5. falling now. Oh! 1-0 still. Yo, you dead? Oh, you got him on his right foot. Oh, 2-0. 2-0.
You got a first round bye too, bro.
I come back looking sharp,
We
Steven.
played today, bro.
Couldn't be a better time.
That's clean.
That was clean. That was a clean tackle.
Hard challenge, but it's clean. What's this say on the back of your shirt, bro? Oh.
You good? Is that a point?
That's a foul.
Alright,
It's
no
a foul.
point, no
It's a
point,
foul. It's a
no
foul.
point. Redo. Back up. Oh, 3-2. Finals is good. It's getting good now. Them boys are dead though. Oh, damn.
Man, he gave it back. He gave it back. Attaboy, kid. Score you win, score you win.
Score you win. Give us a goal. Hey. 4-3. 4-3.
He wanted the clip. He wanted the clip.
That was not good.
A goal and a stop. You don't want to go out like that.
Try to keep him lacking.
Keeper saves him. 4-3. Yeah. No point. No point.
Them boys feeling it. It's not easy. And one.
FTZU did not disappoint. Hey, good game. Hey, you weren't wrong.
I told you so way, bro. I told you. Good, bro. Good.
Yo, let's show some love for our winner right here.
All right, bro. I'm just gonna go on soccer.com. Go ahead, bro. You choose your boots, your size.
Going on soccer.com right now. What are you thinking, bro? What kind of boots you like?
Nike Phantom.
Ooh, what colorway?
All black.
Ooh, I'm gonna put them up on the screen right here. All black is tough.
Shout out Salt Athletic for hooking up the players with a cleat bag. So here we're gonna, I have a couple pairs and they're the real deal. So shout out Salt Athletic. Everyone go copy your boot bag.
Wow.
Put in your cleats, boom, simple. Everybody, you also won this, bro. A boot bag.
That'll be is perfect for the new Phantoms, bro. Ready for the new season, yes sir. Yo, how many goals you gonna score in the new Phantoms this season, bro?
I'm thinking like 5. I'm a right back, but
Oh yeah.
I'm thinking about 5.
Damn, he's that shifty.
While he's
and
doing
right
that,
back.
thank you for your purchase. What boots you got again?
Nike Phantom.
Hey, appreciate you coming out, man.
Thank you.
We'll have you again on the next one since you're a winner. So
Yeah.
Shout out TekkGrip.
Yes sir, reigning champ. It's a boot bag, bro. So you just drop your boots in there. It's a little magnetic.
And he just like to take to the field. Yeah, bro.
I appreciate you coming
Yo,
out, bro.
appreciate
Thanks
that,
so much.
man. Hey.